Watch out, Steve. This is a big waterfall.
In this video, we do some tubing on the White River. For this excursion, we used the White River Calypso Rafting and Tubing as our outfitter. They're located just 8 minutes east of Ocho Rios. On this visit, it was $30 per person, and this gives you access to the river for the tubing and also provides you with a guide that stays with you the whole time. You can use a credit card for your entrance fee, and then there is a bar at the top where you can get drinks or beer or whatever, but that is a cash bar only.
No cold, refreshing.
Oh, yeah, it's real cold.
Refreshing. Let's go to bed, I'm Jack, alright?
Jack was our guide for this day, and he turned out to be a lot of fun.
The river will steal it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Hey!
Watch out, Steve. This is a big waterfall.
About it.
Every little thing gonna be
It's gonna be alright.
except you.
So as you can see in the video, the river was flowing really good this day. There was a lot of whitewater areas that were fun to navigate through, and even when you were in the flatter areas, the river was flowing really good and kept you moving. I want to say, and I didn't time this or anything, but I want to say it took us about 2 hours to get from the start point to the takeout point.
Uh-oh. No, man, you're good, you're good.
I'm good. Hopefully I'm good.
No, you'll see.
I still got the beer. I still got the beer. Everything's good. Beer, check. Might be some cussing on this film.
Like better than a water park. Better than a water park.
Yeah, right?
Rocking in the treetop all night long, rocking and dancing and singing a song. All the little guys from Asia Street like to hear the rock go tweet, tweet, tweet.
Rockin', rockin'.
Whoa, little Robin, oh, we gonna rock tonight.
Oh, yeah.
out you guys. We just showed up to the party.
It's about time y'all got here.
Refreshing. Refreshing.
Yeah, no cold at Jamaica.
No cold, just refreshing. Okay.
You don't see what's coming up.
Oh, look at the bird. Look at the bird.
Bird?
Yeah, that's one of those ones.
Apparently I'm going this way.
Oh, you're on the cheater way.
Is this the way I went? About halfway to 2/3 of the way down the river, there was a spot where you could stop and take a break. This was called the Calypso Cove. It had bathrooms, a bar, there's picnic tables and stuff, rope swing, water swing out in the water. Just a neat spot to stop, stretch your legs, take a break, and maybe refill on some beverages. So with some rum shots all the way around, we got back on the river. The last quarter of a mile or so, you start intermingling with the rafters. Now the rafters start on the lower part of the river, go upriver only about a quarter of a mile, maybe half a mile, turn around and go back down. So it's a very slow, leisurely raft. And the price is double of what the tubing is. We really enjoyed the tubing. We hope you liked the video that kind of shows our experience on the tubing. As always with all of our videos, we'll put more information down in the description so you can do some research on your own. But the tubing on the White River is highly recommended by us. We're from way upriver.
No complaint.
Yeah, we're from way upriver. Yeah, you are from downriver. We are from way upriver. Yeah, we coming from way upriver. You guys enjoying it? Beautiful, beautiful. That's a part of it, baby.
So here we are at the takeout. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in our other excursions around Jamaica, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you out there getting fresh air.